Hello teacher, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Brandon Del Angel, and today we're going to talk about the topic 30, that is about the cost and performance monitoring. Well, this is basically an introduction to how the advance of the information technology are helping the companies. In what way? I mean, talking about the data, the whole operation in the companies. The technology is a huge tool because it's helping in the logistics. For example, that is the topic about the logistics, the distribution, and it's a lifeblood in the logistics system, because without this information, without the programs, the computer, all the data that are taken to improve the system, the services, this is a huge important tool. And the framework emphasizes in a natural cycle, that is starting with where are we now, that this is basically provide us a picture of the status in the operation, and this might be obtained through the feedback. And the second stage is identify the objectives in the logistic and distribution process. This is related to the elements in the customer service and marketing. And then we have the third, that is the cycle in the process, that includes the development of the strategies to manage all of this. And finally, this monitoring and control the procedures in the measure to have effective operation in the logistic with thanks to the plan. But why we have to monitor all this? Because we have to establish an effectiveness system in the cost, performance, and monitoring control of these components. Now let's go with my partner Demian. He's gonna continue with the topic.
The operational approach. Well, the approach discussed so far can be complicated. So a more simple and straightforward operational approach is sometimes the most appropriate for small and medium-sized companies. This is as follows: determine the scope of logistics activities, and it has the historical data. The systems that merely compare overall activities cost on a period-by-period basis may not be providing any useful information that can be used to monitor operational performance. Then the budget. Almost all companies will have a budget plan, and this should include a breakdown of the logistics cost in appropriate detail. Then the engineered standards. Several companies use internally derived measures for certain logistics activity through the development of the engineering standards. And finally, it has the external standards and the benchmarking. It's another approach to cost and performance measurement is to make comparisons against industry norms and making a comparison more realistic and they're more valuable, so the companies can improve.